All right, got our gear in, unload the boat. We're gonna hit for sheepheads today, right, Mickey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about time you show up. Look how shallow that is. That's good. Head into sheephead holes. Looks like we got one kayakers out there. First spot here. Look at that. Time to fish, baby. The trick is scrape this barnacle, folks. That's right. Scrape this barnacles. Get those sheep's heads in. All right.
Slack
Using
tie?
my small, yeah, slack tie, which is perfect. It's a perfect time to shoot fish right here. Slack tie. These sheepheads are pretty fast, so you gotta be like quick. Oh yeah, I told you pretty fast. Here, I got a net right here. You wanna bring over? Is that a big? Oh, that's a good size. That's a good size, buddy. That's a good. Oh, oh, no. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's like less than a minute right there, buddy. Mickey first blood right here. My fishing partner a year. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Gotta be quick. Mickey got another one. Small one? He didn't fight much. I just got a hit. Oh, he may be a good keeper. I think he's a keeper. What do you think? Look at that.
Got about a chin.
Mickey's hot today. Mickey's hot today. Hang on. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, he's another keeper right here, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at his teeth. Gotta show you guys his teeth here, man. Look at his teeth. Oh my God, look at his teeth. Woo!
Only a face a mother would love. And dentists too.
Ooh, yeah. You got some teeth. Put your finger in there. Take the hook out.
Not as big as the other one, but it'll work.
Yeah, baby. Good catch, good catch. I got one on a small rod, but oh, I think he's a small one though. Oh, I got one of the small rod. That shit is fun. I got one of my small rod challenge.
Small rod challenge.
Yeah, baby, that's a keeper. Caught him on this small rod, baby. That's a good one. Is that a good one? Oh, that may be small. Oh, he may be 12. I think it's a keeper. Oh yeah, that's the same one I let it go. Look at that. That's all we've been catching all day long, man.
A couple weeks they'll be bigger.
Maybe a small one. Got him on a small rod challenge. What is it? It's a pinfish. Yeah, small one. Pinfish on a scallop. Stinky ass fish.
That's a spot fish.
Spot fish. This one's stinky. You want the stinky fish? Man, he's strong for the small guy.
That's a fat one.
Yeah, that's a. You sure your parents don't eat this anymore?
I haven't cleaned it. They don't clean much anymore.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, he got a good one.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, what the heck is that? What the heck is that? That thing was hauling ass. Yeah, baby. Oh no, what is it? It doesn't look like a sheephead. Oh, it is a sheephead. You did not foul hook up. That's a good size too. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Boy, Mickey's hot today. Boy, that's a big boy.
Big boy, over the fire.
That's a big boy.
Oh look, I did. Look on the side.
Oh yeah, look at that. Foul hook his ass. That's a big boy. This guy, you think about 15? It's about 15. I'm curious. Put him at here to here is 12.
Oh, damn.
Oh yeah, he's a 14, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, he's close to 15. Another one. Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh, that's a big boy. Lost it. Sorry, you win some, you lose some, buddy.
Toadfish.
He got a toadfish. Now, and he already hooked up a fish. Yeah, that's all I care.
What the?
Another toadfish. I'll call you the toadmaster.
What's that? Sheephead? Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. I got him.
You got him?
I think I got him. Oh, keep me going. Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Nice. On the little rod.
On the little rod, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a monster. Look at this monster right here. On my tiny rod challenge right here, baby. Tiny rod. Woohoo. Dang, this guy like what, 16?
At least.
At least 16.
Nice. That's pretty cool.
Look at that, that's a good hook in the mouth. He ain't going nowhere.
You gotta watch that on your circle.
Yummy, yummy teeth. Tell you what, man, the secret, this fish tastes really good. I eat the fish over redfish any day, or trout. My buddy said he got a doubt on this rod here, a little doubt. I just prove him wrong. I just prove him wrong. Look at the side of this bad boy here, caught this little rod, man.
He was waiting for dinner all day, or lunch all day.
Look at that. Caught on a little rod. I love his little rod. To give you more action. This guy at least 15, 16. He's a fatty boy. He's going to cooler. How many thoughts?
No, man.
Oh no, 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 no. Don't get out of the water. He's trying to get out. He's a big boy.
Oh, wow.
Making all the noises. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. His turn. His turn. Oh yeah, he's fighter. He's a fighter. Oh, 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 oh. Man, is your drag like really loose or something?
Alright, here we go.
Oh, he's a fat boy. That looks like a fatty. That's a fatty in here. There we go. There we go. Number 7, 7 in the bucket. All right, here we go. Another big boy coming. Big boy, dang! I think he broke my line. Oh my God, he snapped the line. That's a big boy, man. Oh my God. Oh. You think it's a big boy? Oh, man, you got your drag so light that anything is big on that thing. Oh, he's not playing right there, boy. He's not playing.
Oh, it's not too big.
Oh, is that the same one? Oh, yeah. They're all keeper here, man. Nothing on the size here. Another one in the bucket. These are good eating fish. They're not bottom feeder. The meat is really white. They eat barnacles and shellfish, so their meat is really sweet. My favorite fish of all time to eat. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah, right on the lips, outside. Double hookup? Oh, but you lost yours? We got double hookup. Oh, but it, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Broke off. Oh my God. Damn, broke off. Damn, that's the second big boy that broke off my line. All right, I'm gonna go for a big rod now. Big rod coming, boy. I'll get your ass now.
You can re-spool that one, right?
Oh yeah, put a braided line in that small one. Time to chum these sheepheads. Gotta scrape this barnacle down. Man, these are tough barnacles here. Next time I'll bring a jackhammer. I'm just about give up on him, and he land big ass one. Oh, oh,
There you go.
here we go again. Oh, he's a big boy. He's a big boy. Oh my God! Can't even live out of the water. Oh my Lord!
He's a big boy.
He's a big boy. And Mickey been killing it, Mickey. Well, I use a small rod. He cheated. He used a bigger rod. You see that? Look at that. Man, nice, nice. Wait, let me see the corner. How's that? All right, I'm going back with my small rod here. Just set my drag less so fish can't break up the line. Decrease the drag. Small one. Right there, I got a small one. First, oh no, he ain't that small. Looks like a good size. But not as big as the other one.
Oh, that's good size, yeah.
That's a good size? Oh yeah, that's a good size.
Keeper.
Oh yeah, baby. And a small rod, yeah. Woo!
There you got him too.
Barely got him. I catch more fish on this rod than any on my rod. Got him. He's strong. Hopefully you may drop. Oh yeah. Oh, got another one. This one feels like it's small, but he's fighting. Oh, it's a small sheephead. Dang, now they're undersized. Now they're undersized. Woohoo!
You know, the small fish ate the scallop.
Oh, it's a good hook right here. Whoa! Bam! Oh, this one is heavy. Oh yeah, he says heavy.
Heavy.
Oh yeah. Oh, he says heavy.
Don't get down in the rocks.
No, as long as you keep going, you should be good. Just take it easy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
My drag is tightened too. Come on up, let's see some. There you go. There you go.
Oh yeah, it's a big. Oh. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's a big boy. Oh
Yeah.
my God. God. That's a big boy. I can't even live on the wall. Oh my Lord. Oh my mother.
Oh last one of my bait.
Oh, he inhaled that one.
Yeah.
Wow, that's the biggest one there. Hold him up, baby. Woo. Let me see that monster.
You inhaled that one. Holy cow.
Yeah. Wow, we gotta measure. Look at the girth of that guy. Look at the teeth on him too. Wow, look at that. That's a big boy. Let's measure him. Let's see. Let's see how big he is. He's the biggest one we landed today. Guarantee, right?
He's tired now.
Yep. How big?
To the fork?
Yep, squeeze 19 inch.
the
Holy
fork.
smoke. Yep, you squeeze that and you get what, 19. Sure enough, 19. Wow, that's a big boy.
You got the hook in here.
All right, that's a good spot right there behind me. Time to head back. We did like 3 hour fishing. I think we got our limit. Time to head home. Gotta pick up the kids from school. It's fishing in Tampa Bay here. Fishing channel right there. That's Mickey. My partner, he's only hang out with me when we do fishing. That's it, nothing else.
That's it.
That's it. Wind is picking up. Water's getting choppy. We just go slowly along the shore here and head back. Is that a bird?
Yeah.
Yep, they just ran along the shoreline here, and it's only what, a few hundred yards here. This is a good spot too when it's slack tide, not too rough. We used to fish here as well. Good spot. You do get trout, redfish, and snook along these rocks here. Got the extension here. Just rest my arm here. Relax, heading home. Yeah, baby. We got how many?
10.
About 10. We out baked, so time to go home. Perfect timing. Woohoo! Made it. Is the motor up? Just lift it up. All the way or lock. There you go. Woo! Mickey, that was a good day, huh? Yeah. Shortest fishing trip ever.